Hello again, everyone. Today I am here with a small unboxing from Yoseka Stationery. So I just got a few small things. Most of this was as a pre-order because it was some items from the Travelers Company that were not out at the time, and I figured if I didn't pre-order them, they might sell out. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here and you can see what I got. Always, their packaging is very nice. They always include washi tapes, which I try to save. And then they always include a little note and stickers. And this is a little pen clip from Kaweco. I just needed another one for another pocket pen. I actually do have one at my desk, but it's not the one I'm talking about. But basically, any of these Kaweco Sport pens, this will fit into. And this is the I think it's the copper color. I'm not sure if it's actual copper, but I think all of the clips are the same price. But this one was the color I was looking for the pen I'm putting it on. So I'm just going to put that aside. That was just one small thing there. And then, yes, thank you for waiting patiently for the wonderfully unique B-Sides and Rarities refill. So that's what this is for the Travelers Company stuff that I got. The sticker release paper is perfect for saving the best stickers for a time when you're ready to use them. Yes, so one of these is sticker release paper, which I'm really excited about because I do actually have a couple of, I don't know if I'm going to be able to save that. Sorry. Sorry about that. I do actually have a notebook with sticker release paper in a B6 size, but these are sizes that I probably would use in, some other standard. Oh, I'm just not having any luck with these stickers today. Or with the washi tape, rather. Let's see. Sometimes it still has sticky, even if it has tape or paper associated with it. So I'm still going to try and be... yeah, that's probably a loss, but that's okay. All right. So I'm going to get these out. So this is all of the Travelers Company inserts here. So I got 2 different books of this sticker release paper. So basically how it works, and I'll show you with these Yoseka stickers how it works, is you put stickers in them and you can peel them off really, really easily. And it's not like a permanent place to put your stickers. It's a place to hold your stickers so that you can use them. So it's kind of nice because you can take them off the paper backing and then they'll all be in one book as opposed to kind of scattered all over the place. I will open these in a second. And this is a new zip case in the Traveler's Notebook size. These two, so this is Traveler's Notebook size, this larger one, and then this is Passport size. Those are the 2 Traveler's Notebook sizes that Travelers Company makes. And I thought this was really pretty. They actually have a few really nice colors of this new little zipper pouch. This is orange, obviously. It's very orange. They also had a new yellow that I thought was really nice, and I've forgotten the other colors, but they were all kind of nice muted colors. Yeah, and they come up with a theme every time. So this is B-Sides and Rarities. There's another insert that I wanted to get, but they didn't have at the time, and it's one that sort of has an accordion fold, big piece of paper inside. So I'm going to see if I can still find that somewhere. But this will fit into a Travelers Company standard size notebook or, any other standard size notebook. Let me see if I have one real quickly. So I do actually have one here. So I recently swapped out my notebook. I don't want to go out too far, then you'll see all the mess on my table. I did recently swap out this, which is normally my YouTube journal, and I put that in a new narrow size notebook that I had just gotten and was really excited to use, so I was using it for that. But what I am using this for now is I have a little watercolor set up in here. And so I'm going to add that insert so you can see how it fits. This I unboxed on a prior video, this little pouch, which fits a watercolor palette really nicely. I think you could even fit a bit of a larger one in here. This pouch is from Falcon Travelers Notebook Company, and it fits this size, which would also fit in A5, but fits perfectly in a narrow. So I'll put a link to the video where I unboxed that. And then this is just a notebook with watercolor paper, and then I have my fountain pen over here. But let's go ahead and put this insert in the middle. Oh, and this is a Chic Sparrow standard size, if I didn't say that already. And okay, there we go. So that's gonna fit just about perfectly there. I think I will leave that in there for now. So that fits nicely. And it allows you to have these extra little card slots. There's 3 card slots. There's this open area here, which has a little cover. And then there is this zipper pocket on this side, which gives you quite a bit of room here. And I will also open, I'm not going to open the passport size, but it's essentially the same as this one. But the passport size will fit in here as well. I'm going to go ahead and fit that in here. So it's a very slick, shiny paper, which I'll put it in here first, and then I'll show you how the stickers work. I'm actually going to go ahead and put it inside this here. Okay, so the first one is just like a title page, essentially, and then this is your first sticker page, and you can put your stickers there. I'm going to put both of these on there, and then I'll show you how easy they are to take off. So you put your stickers there, and then if you sort of pull back the side, you just peel it right off. It's essentially a thicker version of what your sticker is on originally, and then I'm just going to put it back on the original sticker paper because I don't necessarily want to save these stickers right now. But as you can see, very easy to remove. And there you go. And then that'll all fit very nicely in that notebook. I'm going to put this aside. So that was a lot faster than I thought it would be. I suppose I can open this one too and show you. But they do have, do they say in here which other kinds they have? Just the larger one. No. So this is basically, so the B-sides are always sort of the things that are not in distribution as well. In the time of records, that was kind of like what that was. They're talking about that a little bit. They say back in the day of vinyl records, artists used to release their hit singles on 7-inch 45 RPM records. These caused a boom in the pop music scene as they made music more accessible to the average person. Vinyl singles had an A-side and a B-side. The A-side was for the song the artist was hoping to be a hit, and the artist poured all of their efforts into this song. B-sides were often considered bonus tracks. Musicians were less concerned about their commercial prospects. This did not mean no effort was made. Rather, musicians saw these tracks as an opportunity for more artistic freedom. So there's more, but I won't read the rest. But so that's essentially what they're saying here. This isn't, what they're considering to be a hit, I guess. They just wanted to try something new and interesting on these. But yeah, sticker release paper is definitely something I will use. And they have a few different papers. There is letter paper, which I'm not entirely sure what it is. Maybe that's the accordion fold one I was looking for, but they have that, and then they have some that have little boxes for information that you can put into each of the little boxes. And then there's a couple of others, but I will put a link. If I cannot still find these on Yoseka, I will actually put a link to wherever I can still find them at the time. But that was it. That was all I wanted to show you today. So feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Feel free to ask me any questions you have below, and I'll answer when I can. I hope to see you next time, but in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.